We're Megan and Jacob. We started looking for homes in January. We looked at some existing homes in the area, and then we looked at some spec homes with Allen Edwin, and eventually we decided to do a new build with Allen Edwin, and we finalized that in March.
We chose Allen Edwin Homes because it kind of fit with the market that we were in right now. It's a little bit unsaturated, so it's very competitive. We had a lot of, you could say, rugs pulled out from under our feet, and so with that, then we were like, let's just do a build house and like customize it the way that we wanted to.
We built a home. We toured a couple model homes, and we found a model home that we fell in love with, so we decided to build that home and customize it to our liking. So after looking at a variety of Allen Edwin homes, we decided to build the Elements 2700 in the Rolling Meadows Estates neighborhood. We chose that floor plan based on the layout. The kitchen was huge, very open concept, and then the Rolling Meadows Estates was full of young families just getting their lives started, so we felt that was the best fit for us.
Our favorite part about our home that we both decided on was our kitchen. We just kind of went all in on that one, and we just like fell in love with it. And every day I walk down the stairs, and it's just like, oh yeah, I love waking up to this and seeing how our dreams come into fruition.
Our favorite part of our new community is its accessibility to highways, restaurants, grocery stores. We are far away out of the city where you don't hear all the busyness. It's very peaceful and quiet, but you're still close enough that everything's just 10 or 15 minutes away.
Our favorite experience with Allen Edwin would be the inner sales, the customer reps. They were always on our side. They were always wondering what they could do better or how they could help us. Even after moving in, they were still wondering what they can do, and they really showed how friendly they are, and they actually loved at their job.
We were looking at a variety of pre-existing homes, new build spec homes. We felt that Allen Edwin, we could get the most for what we wanted for the best price, and everything would be new. Having a newborn baby, we knew we wouldn't have time to renovate or rebuild anything, so we felt doing a new build with Allen Edwin would give us the best bang for our buck.
We'd recommend Allen Edwin to any new families or anybody that are searching for a house. It just made it easy throughout every step of the process, and it was just an awesome experience. They treated us like family, and we could really tell that they loved doing their jobs.
Yeah, we would recommend Allen Edwin to anyone. It was a smooth process from start to finish.